Hey everybody, welcome back to my Pizza Dough Pro YouTube channel. What you're seeing on the screen right now is a really amazing pizza that I made in the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven. Bake time was around 3 minutes at 700 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's about 371 degrees Celsius. I have just posted the full step-by-step video recipe over on my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. If you look down underneath this video in the description box or over in the comment section, you'll see a clickable link. Click it and it'll take you right over to the recipe. And just a quick mention, I post a lot of videos over on my Frosty's Kitchen YouTube channel as well. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.